Welcome to the Hard Research channel. Today I will show you how to disable Google Assistant on the ZTE Blade A36. So first of all, open Settings. If you don't have the shortcut on your desktop, simply scroll down from the top of your screen and press this little gear button to open Settings. In Settings, scroll all the way down to the Google section. Here click All Services, scroll down again to the Search Assistant and Voice. Here click on Google Assistant and scroll down to the General option. And here enable it, press Turn On. Now let's see if it works. What is the lifespan of a seal?
According to NOAA Fisheries, lifespan and reproduction, gray seals live for 25 to 35 years. They gather in large groups.
As you can see, Google Assistant is working. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Research channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.